Hello, it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is a share of the 6 layouts I completed using Close to My Heart Celebrate Today workshop kit. So you create 2 single pages and then 2 double spread layouts. And here are the samples right here. This is the instruction sheet. Hopefully you're not getting a glare. I'll try to. And so it tells you the material that you need, you know, like foam tape, glue, dots, pencils, ruler, a journal pen for journaling, and the tri-blends, bright pink and turquoise. Then this would be the cutting instructions. It also tells you the photographs that you would need for each project, which isn't that cool. It breaks it all out for you. Then you need to cut some of your zip strips to use. And then here are the papers that you would need to cut for layering purposes, or sometimes it's for stamping. So we have here, we're going to cut up the raspberry cardstock, the black cardstock, vellum that comes in your kit. And then we get started with layout number 1. And of course I put my own twist, and this time I chose not to video each of the layouts, and that's just strictly based on time. I started a new job and I have a lot of studying and testing and so forth that I have to complete my first month, so I'm pretty wore out when I get home. All right, for layout number 1, this is the project here. And when you receive the exclusive die cuts in the kit, it will have on the sheet of paper, this is for project number 1. So there were strips of paper that were already, what do you want to say, creased. They were strips that were creased so that you could make these pinwheels. Just a minute. Sorry, I had to pause that. My family was interrupting me. So anyway, this is project number 1, and this is what I created with project number 1. So you will notice that here for today, I had to flip it and put it on this side, or else it was going to cover up my face. This is a photograph I'm documenting of myself and Scrappy Amy and Miranda. And Scrappy Amy lives in the same state that I live in. Different city but same state, and Miranda is from Georgia, and we have become friends, and when we can get a chance we get together and we scrapbook. So this happens to be, I think, the 2nd time that we got together. But anyway, this was back in February the 23rd of 2019, so I'm pretty sure this is the 2nd time that we've gotten together to scrapbook, and we stopped at Michael's first. So as you can tell, here's the pinwheels that I created, and see, they're already the circles, or I mean it comes in a strip across like this, and then you just take it and make it accordion, and then you put it together. At the back part you want to take like a little square and put glue on there. That works the best. You could use glue dot because it's just a small circle when it comes together. You can see that I put an enamel circle on top. So then it comes with these pre-cut circles, and you tuck them in. This one with the hearts, and the little hearts you just pop out. You can use it at a different time. Same with the word celebration. Put the little stars here, and then the sequins that come with this kit. These are it. So it has white, clear, it has stars in it. There's itty bitty stars right there. And that's the loose sequence in silver. So the silver comes with a like almost a matted type silver, a real shiny silver. Comes with little stars that pick up the colors from your paper. And it comes with white in all different sizes. So that makes it nice. And I pretty much, here I'll put this diagram if you can see right here. I pretty much followed the butterfly, went right there, butterfly went here, but it was on top of the pinwheel. I put it below. We had words here, and I used words from the Tim Holtz Small Talk because the ones that came in here wasn't didn't work for me, because this is more a birthday theme or some sort of celebration, which this is a celebration of me getting with my friends, but the words did not work with this layout. And that's okay, make it work. So that's project 1. Project 2 is a double spread, but I'm just going to show you, oh no, I'm sorry, project 1 is another single spread. And this is where you get the stars here, and then there's a solid inside that you punch out, and you make your own shaker card. So that's what I did right here. Let's see if you can see. Can you hear them? Yeah, so isn't that cool? Yeah, they moved around. Isn't that cool? So that looks really pretty. And it was supposed to be 2 photographs, but I only had 1. I did put the balloons right here. You get these clear type stars in there that you can use the tri-blends to use, or you can leave them plain and it'll pick up whatever the background paper is. And so that's what I did here. This was already pre-die cut for you. In the photograph it showed the green star. I layered up pink, which came in the kit. That's not out of my stash. The only thing that came out of my stash was the we here and R and the S, because I'm putting we are stars. This is same, this was a Scrappy retreat in May of 2019, I think. Yeah, May of 2019. So that's Miranda and that's Fran, and we went to dinner, and it's kind of a joke. We're laughing because I wanted tacos, and there wasn't a price over to the right because it said $3 tacos or something like that, and I asked how much are the tacos, and it got everybody cracking up, and the waitress and stuff. But anyway, and I'm like, what's so funny? The dollar amount's not written, but because it's in the description. But anyway, so I documented that as project number 2. All right, here is project number 3, which is a double spread layout. So that's, oh, I got this backwards. This would be the first one right there. So I pretty much followed the diagram here. See, look it. So we got the photograph up here, and then the balloons, and then the cloud right here, and then the cloud here. Now where I altered it was right here, this round sticker that comes with the sticker sheet, and it says hip hip hooray, and it was not working too close to the photograph of me. And here again, we're at a Scrappy retreat, Heather's Crafty Life Scrappy retreat in May of 2019. And I got a tab here, and then I took a vellum, which is part of the Celebrate Today, but it's you have to purchase it separate. And then the cloud, so you get all this in the cloud. And then what I made different here is the sequence. I added that and put the heart here, even though heart called from there. There's a pink star here. I put a blue, and that's it. So the really alteration I did, or added my own touch or twist, you can do the same thing. Oh, and there's a little bit of sequence right up in here that you can tell. But I followed the main base of it, you know, gosh, what do you want to say? 90% of it, and just changed it, added some words right there. And same with these balloons. These come pre-cut. You don't have to have the scissors, so it's all together. You do not have to buy the scissors to cut this. It's already like that. You just layer it up. And the only thing you do have to do if you want to add string, they call for just drawing your tail to your balloon, but I used string here. All right, and then this would be the second page. Now this one I altered some, I think, too, a little bit, yes, because I have an issue with fishtail banners. I love banners, but I'm not crazy about doing fishtail banners, so I just removed that. And I, excuse me, I also changed the elements of where the clouds are. So I put my punched out clouds. I know you can't hardly see it, but there's one right here, but this one is raised with pop dots. Okay, my clouds are where they recommend, and here's that hip hip hooray. I put a title, which is different. So I put celebrate friendship, celebrate. And then I put, they called for one heart over here by the balloon. I put 2, and you noticed the balloon, I have it twist, turned this way rather than that way. And then again, I added sequence. I mean, you get this huge pack of sequence, so why not add it to all your pages, right? And so here we go again. This is Scrappy Amy, this is Fran, this is Terry, and this is Miranda, and then of course this is me, Amy being funny like she always is. And then this is Amy and me, and then this is me, or I should say Becky and me. And this is Becky from Mini Kit Monday. She's our founder of Mini Kit Monday, and she drove up from Georgia to come to the Heather's Crafty Life retreat. So we had a blast along with the other ladies. There's about 20 of us. Again, like I said, all this stuff is already, the die cuts are already done for you. All right, you just need the adhesives and your instructions to put it together. So this is the double spread layout. So you can put it this way, or I could have it this way. Doesn't matter. Both ways work. So that makes it nice. And then of course I have my journaling that I'll put right in this spot here. All right. Now, yes, guess what? This is project number 4. And I think you can hear my dog sneezing in the background. All right, project number 4. All right, I changed this up again. And guess what? I am using pink to document my little guy's 11th birthday. And here we go. And so this is his birthday cake. This is my husband here. And then this is him slicing into his cake. So as you can tell, I put the sticker. This came from the sticker sheet that you get. I tucked it under rather than having it on top, and I did the flower here, but I just switched the succulent leaves. I just switched it. I used the larger one over here, and then I changed the flower to blue, put an orange one rather than having a pink one, and then I put a white enamel dot that is, what do you want to call it? It's matted. And then again, like I said, I just went crazy with the sequence, and then I added some silver splatters from Rachel Best watercolor, and that's what's there. And I did get some here on the cake and here too, which is a-okay. I might take, I can take, if you don't know this, you can take a baby wipe and it will remove watercolor from your photo. So I need to remove these few spots I got right here on my husband's face, but I'm going to leave the rest that's splattered. Okay, for the banner up here, happy, it suggested that you could lay them flat or pop dot all of them up with foam adhesive. I did every other one just to have some more interest and dimension to the layout. All right, here's layout number 2. This one I twisted it. I changed it. All right. It gives you the die cuts for these banners that just have circles. I guess they're to represent like bulbs. I just removed that. I thought it was too busy for me. So I removed that and just used the banners here, which again are provided in the kit. And then you have the little scallops and you just need some glue to back them behind there. It seems like it would be difficult, but it's not, because guess what? It's already cut out for you. It's not like that you see some of the videos where they're taking scraps and they're having to put it behind there and cut it. These are already provided. You just gotta glue them. All right, up here at this banner, it showed them separated. I put these two together. I added the cupcake that came from the sticker pack along with this sticker and this sticker and this sticker. All these stickers right here came with this kit in the sticker sheet. You get a full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. All right, then you get these clear, these aren't called acetate. What do you call these? Oh darn, you guys are yelling at me. I know. They're called, Oh my gosh, it'll come to me. But anyway, they give you little papers that make it look like paper clips, and you put them on, place them on there. So I doubled these up. I shortened this up a little bit. This was longer. I just trimmed it so that they were the same as all of these, and I just angled them different, and I avoided the flower because this is of my little guy. And I found this brad that says ABC. I thought it was really cute. This Hip Hip Hooray came from the sticker sheet. These stars, and here is where I colored those stars using the tri-blend, just like it suggested. So I did purple, the yellow, and the blue. And other than journaling, this layout's complete. Oh, I brought from my stash this word eek, favorite, and this plus sign, because my little guy, one of our friends, Billy, he put icing on his nose. Those are the 6 layouts that I completed using, oh my gosh, I was going to start with the first one here. This is probably my favorite, and then the last double page that I showed you is my second favorite layout of this. I like them all, but if you had to ask me which one. So this is using Celebrate Today Workshop Kit, and like I said, you will, let me get the catalog real quick. All right, so the workshop kit, that's this right here. You'll get 1 Celebrate Today paper pack with sticker sheet, which you can purchase separately. You get 3 cardstocks, 2 black, 1 raspberry. You'll get 1 vellum sheet. You'll get 6 exclusive die cuts right here. So this is what I was talking about, the die cuts. Can you see that? Right there. So see how they're already pre-cut? You just got to push with your hand to pop them off the sheets. A set of exclusive clear acrylic shapes. That's what I was thinking of. So here's the acrylic shapes, are all those stars right there that you can use the tri-blends on. And the silver sequins. Now, let me show you the separate. So that's the card kit. I already posted that video. This is the Mix It. And where you can purchase them separately. I'm sorry. See, I say this, I need to be better prepared. Right here. So see, you can buy this pack here with the sticker sheet, or you can just buy the paper. You can buy the coordinating cardstock. And remember the vellum piece I told you where I got the butterfly from? You can buy that separate. That does not come in the kit, nor do the Celebrate Today picture life cards. You can buy those separate. All right, that's it. I am a consultant. I will have my link at the very end and also in the description box. If you do not have a consultant, I would love to have you as a customer. These kits are awesome to work with if you've lost your mojo, if you just don't, you like doing die cuts but you don't have a die cut machine, or you don't have the time. You can be like me. I have a die cut machine, my Cricut, and I don't use it. I guess I'm just too lazy. I just don't want to take the time. I want to get to making my layouts. But anyway, that's what's great about these kits. You just got to find your photographs, have some adhesives, and sometimes you might have to purchase some extra products for the inking if you don't already have them in your stash. All right, I appreciate you all. Remember to get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. Subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, click the bell notification if you'd like to receive notification every time I post. All right, have a fabulous day and keep coming back. We'll see you next time. Bye.